Alright, good morning again, everybody. As I said, as promised, I'm just going to quickly go through two questions to explain how you would solve this question. Convert 2 kilometers to millimeters. Since 1 kilometer we know is already 1000 meters, expressing this as an indices, it is 10 to the 3 meters. Alright? And 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. Expressing this as a power of indices, we know it's 10 to the 3 millimeters. Right? All you do, you count the amount of zeros and express that as the power. Okay? So, therefore, to solve this question of converting 2 kilometers to millimeters, you're going to combine the two powers, right? 10 to the 3 from the meter and 10 to the 3 from the millimeters. And what you're going to do now, you're going to say 2 times 10 to the 3 times 10 to the 3 to get to millimeters. Alright? And you know from senior 1, multiplying laws of indices, you're going to add the powers. Alright? So that's going to be 2 times 10 to the 3 plus 3, which therefore means that 2 kilometers is actually 2 times 10 to the 6 millimeters. Let's do one more question. It says, convert 250 centimeters to kilometers. Since 1 centimeter is actually 1 divided by 100 meters, so we know therefore that in each instance we must place it to meters, then to the smaller unit. That's what you see happening in both. Alright? And then once we convert it from meters, then now we're going to say, okay, that is 10 to the 2. 10 to the negative 2. 1 divided by 100, that's 10 to the negative 2. Alright? And 1 meter equals 1 divided by 1000 kilometers. Alright? That's 10 to the 3. So therefore, when we're trying to solve of converting 250 centimeters, we find the meter and the kilometer, and then we combine them together. So we're going to say 250 times 10 to the 2 times 10 to the negative 3. Negative 2 times 10 to the negative 3. And that will give us 250 times 10 to the negative 5. So this is the answer in standard form, because in this form, numbers are shown as a number between 1 and 10 multiplied by a power of 10. Alright? Okay. Now, there's a simple rule to this. In your questions that I'm going to give you as homework, question 4, the first thing you must look at is converting how much kilometers would make 1 meter, and then how much meter would make 1 millimeter. You combine the two, and that would tell you your answer. In this one as well, how much millimeters would make 1 centimeter. You express this as a indices or a standard form, and then you multiply the two. Same thing goes for here. How much kilometers make 1 meter? Express this as a power of a law of indices. So you're going to express 259,000 as in standard form. Alright? So you need to refresh standard form from senior 1. If you guys don't remember that, then next class, which is going to be on Monday, I'll go through the steps of standard form. Have a great day, everybody.